tutorial of how to get your eyebrows looking on point with just using 5 items, okay? What's going on, everybody? Kimberly here, hope you're well. Just a midweek check-in, and today's video is going to be on eyebrows. Yes, you heard it correctly, eyebrows. One of the things as a makeup artist that I hear people struggle with a lot is how to get my eyebrows looking on point. Alright, so today I'm going to do a step-by-step simple tutorial of how to get your eyebrows looking on point with just using 5 items, okay? So, foundation, concealer, an eyebrow pencil, obviously, because you're doing your eyebrows, a mascara wand, and a flat brush. Traditionally, everybody is known to use this brush. Obviously, I've got this brush in my kit, so I used to use this a lot. When I was doing eyebrows, it's really good for creating sharp lines. However, with this flat brush, it can also create sharp lines, but also it's very good at blending. So it's actually more effective than this brush when doing eyebrows, because a lot of times you will blend once you apply the foundation or concealer. You have to blend. So this brush is absolutely excellent. It's a really good replacement for this brush. It's actually better to use this brush to do your eyebrows. All right. Yeah, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. All right, so step 1, get your mascara wand and brush the eyebrows. So step 2, you draw on hair-like strokes with your eyebrow pencil. For a more natural look, when you are picking an eyebrow pencil, try to pick a colour that matches your natural eyebrow tone. Once you have applied the eyebrow pencil to your eyebrows, depending on how full your eyebrows are, if you have really full eyebrows, obviously you use less pencil. If you have thin eyebrows, then you would use more pencil. After you've done that, you then use the mascara wand just to brush through your natural eyebrows and blend in the pencil with your natural eyebrow. Okay, so step 3 is the define stage, where you define the eyebrows with foundation or concealer. I prefer to use foundation because it's a lot more easier to manipulate because it's thinner, so you have more control over the product. When you are applying foundation, I know some people like to go lighter around the eyebrows, but at this stage you shouldn't go lighter. You want the foundation to match your skin tone or the concealer to match your skin tone. So as you can see, I am just carefully following the sort of eyebrow shape that I want to create neatly and precisely with the flat brush, and then blending in the foundation. I am now going underneath her eyes again with exactly the same technique, with a flat brush, again with foundation, and just really taking my time to define her eyebrows. So I have now defined the eyebrows with foundation, and I'm going into the arch of her brow with some concealer that is lighter than her skin tone. So when you're doing this yourself, try to get a concealer lighter than your skin tone, and go neatly into the arch and make sure you blend. Go about halfway and just blend all the way out. And what this technique does, it lifts your actual face and it lifts the appearance of your eyes. One eyebrow down, one more to go. So I'm now on to the second brow and just doing exactly the same technique as I done before, exactly the same steps as I have done before. So as you can see, the eyebrows are not exactly even. So in the middle of her sort of where the eyebrows meet, I'm applying some foundation and I am just blending in the foundation to the beginning of each eyebrow, so I can then go back in again and correct the eyebrow shape so they match. Alright, so if you, when you're doing your eyebrows and you find that they don't look the same size, especially where they join, this is what you do: apply a bit of foundation in the middle and then sort of blend it out and then go back in again with your foundation to define the eyebrows so they appear to be the same size. So the final stage is get your mascara wand and brush your eyebrow hairs upwards and ensure that they don't stick out. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you have learned something new and you feel more confident you know, when you want to do your eyebrows. And just remember, this is not an overnight situation. It took me practice. So don't be hard on yourself, just practice and you will get there. And I will put the links for all products that I used in the description box below. So don't forget to like, subscribe, give my video a thumbs up and share, like, subscribe. It's so confusing. Listen, just share the thing, like the thing. Alright guys, take care. Thank you for watching my video and God bless.